Namaste, welcome you all. Today I would like to share three fascinating things about astrology. Number one, there are enormous benefits, and second one, the simple methods in which we can learn. The third one are the simple, effective home remedies. So, coming to the first one, today parents are very much worried about their children's future, how they would flourish in their career, and how to understand them, how to raise them. Astrology gives clear-cut ways to identify the nature of a child, by which we can know what are his strengths and weaknesses, and by pressing the right button, he can excel very nicely. So in this way, a lot of worries can be kept aside. And coming to career, lot of choices and options. If you choose the wrong one, lot of time and effort can be wasted. So astrology gives where one can flourish. Next question comes, business or job and partnerships. All these decisions can be very nicely taken with the help of astrology. Otherwise, sometimes even after taking a decision, we are not confident. So astrology gives us such assurance, that confidence. And coming to marriage, whom to choose as a life partner is an important question. How would be the married life? All these things can be confidently taken, such decisions, with the help of astrology. When coming to old age, lot of worries, how to settle the property, how to divide, and health. Astrology gives us clear-cut picture, by which lot of worries can be avoided. Otherwise, we spend a lot of money in insurances and other things. So I'm just naming only few. Like this, whole life, entire life is covered in astrology. So it is beneficial for everyone. We don't need to worry anything. Now, coming to learning it, one may think it must be very complex. It must be a very, big. Yes, truly, astrology is ocean. But for a common man's needs, things can be learned very easily in a very short time. If you want to go in depth and detail, yes, it may take a long time. So there are three simple aspects. We just need to identify positive planets and negative planets, and how strong they are, and what is their time of effectiveness. If you can understand these three, and life contains 12 aspects or 12 departments, and 9 planets are there. Combining all these three, we can easily come to very good predictions. Not only that, if you don't have birth time and birth date, still predictions can be made. On top of it, when the marriage will take place, when the children will come, such when questions can be nicely answered. So astrology is all accommodative. I learned in a very short time. That's why today I can confidently tell you, just within 24 hours, you can learn. Even daily 1 hour, so 24 days. It's not a big time. Maybe it's a less time than the time we spend in going to astrologer in every step of our life. So coming to the third one, the simple home remedies. We can see what are the negative planets, how they are affecting, when they are coming, and they can be pacified. There are simple home remedies. You don't need to do big homas, yagnas, and pay a lot of money. And they are very effective. We have proved with others. So that's why confidently we are telling you. On top of it, there are favorable things. Lucky days, lucky colors, lucky numbers, and stones, by which we can enhance. Suppose there is something bad ahead, we will prepare. By knowing weather forecasts, we are preparing for them. Similarly, we can be careful, we can avoid certain departments where we are weak, we can take initiatives where we are strong. So in this way, it's a complete life guide if you have a proper astrologer who can teach you. Astrology also tells you what are the qualities or how to identify an astrologer so that we can protect ourselves. So in this way, in an easy manner, you all can learn. I was so inspired. I first started it as a hobby. Now I am teaching it regularly. I started an institute. Now I am teaching online through our website astrologyliveclasses.com. So I welcome you all. You can come, easily learn, even from home, whether you are retired or working. Just in your spare time you can learn. And you can benefit yourself. You can benefit your friends, relatives, and many others. You can see for yourself how the predictions are coming true or not. So I wish that you all benefit. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video.